Hey, kids. This is a tasty burger. Burger. Burger.
I'm good, I'm good. Do you mind if how much is the McChicken again?
$1.69.
Oh my gosh.
And small fry, $3.
Okay. Small fry went up too?
Small fries and McChicken, $3.
Together?
Yep.
Alright, let me just get the McChicken with the is the mac sauce extra now? Because I went to the other one and they said the mac sauce was extra. Mrs. Mac sauce extra? Is mac sauce extra?
Big Mac sauce.
No.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Alright.
You want
Just the McChicken mac sauce, please.
right, Mac sauce. Yeah.
180, no issue. Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What had happened was I just need to get rid of this change. So that's 10 cents. Okay. I'm sorry, miss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
You can put
16,
like that. What time?
17, 18, 19, 20, so that's 30. That's 30, thank you. One, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You know, we just taken because
7,
you
8.
go like that, so we're not taken. But this is fast food, don't know.
I'm so sorry,
So
miss.
that's from you. Next time
10.
you just put. He told me that you have 50 cents or something, and we take it. We believe you.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got some quarters here. That's 75.
Yeah, you can. If
There's
you
a dollar.
We can take it.
That's around that? Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you can.
Thank you. I'm so sorry about that, miss. I just need to get rid of this change.
Yeah, no problem.
Because you know I come here a lot, but I always got this change.
You want to change it or just go?
Not even an issue, miss. Not even an issue. Oh, jeez. Thank you.
Let's go.